Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you are well. So what we're going to do is put our clouds together and we're going to arrange them onto our page. Okay, so I've got two sets of clouds here. Okay, very similar colors to my backdrop, but I'm not going to let that worry me too much. Yours will be completely different, of course. So I'm going to go and arrange and group my first cloud, and then I'm going to go and copy that and go into my final page here. And this one, I'm going to put it into the sun here, and I'm going to pick this up and drop this into my sun like that. Okay, it looks okay. It's not the best. I think this probably needs to be a bit add more depth to it. I might go and put some extra circles underneath there. Just looking at it, those three look very sort of lost, in my opinion. So what I could do here very quickly is maybe turn it around. Let's go and see what it looks like upside down. I think that's going to look better, isn't it? So turning that around makes it look a lot better. What I'm going to do with the other one is just pick this up and put it underneath. So I need to do the same thing again. I need to go to arrange and I need to go and group it all so that I can copy and paste it all in one go and not lose it. I'm going to go into my artwork and then I'm going to go and paste my cloud. Let's go and arrange this so that it's got some kind of element to it. I think I may need to go and build another one at the top. I may need to go and add some extra clouds at the top. So I could go and add a third in here. You may have two larger ones, or you may have one huge one actually. So it all depends on your style, what it is that you want to go and build. I might go and grab that over there. There we go. I mean, that's reasonable for my clouds. It looks like clouds. And then I have a nice space here for something, or I could go and put it over here. I think I might put it over here. It depends. I could go and flip this whole thing over. If you've got the sun over this side, then that's your choice. I could have the sun over there like that. Okay. Although generally on paintings, it doesn't really normally feels just better over there. I might just keep it there, to be honest. Right. Once your clouds are in, you are ready to start tracing. Okay, so you need to spend some time arranging this. You can see that the way that I'm thinking is that these may not be quite right. Okay. At this point, you may start to think, Mr. Glenn, what I really need are different colours. So then you may need to go and change them into greys, whites and greys, okay? So that you've got some kind of realism going on in your picture. However, it kind of looks all right at the moment. I think it just needs something, and I don't know what it is. What you need to do now is start to develop and assess what it is that you've got. And what I mean by assess and look at what you've got is that the next part is going to be adding the actual waves. And we are not going to be adding just any old waves. They're going to be our own creations from another piece of art. Okay, so we can go and paste it in if we wanted to, but it's kind of cheating, to be honest. And what we're going to do is start to create our waves ourselves. Okay, so there's going to be those wave layers, and you're going to have to go and find a spot for those waves. Now, here they're going from left to right. So it kind of makes sense to have your sun over here, unless, of course, you're going to have your waves going from right to left, which means that you can swap them over. Now, there aren't any hard and fast rules for this. You can quite simply have the wave going from right to left. This is your choice. And I'll tell you for why. On my switch case, okay, my waves go the opposite way to the actual painting itself. Okay, so they go from right to left. Okay, so I could have that, and I could use the images on my switch case to copy that, and therefore I would have the sun on the other side. Okay, this requires you to go and talk to somebody, share it with your friends, and ask them what they think. Okay, having an audience give some constructive criticism is only going to make you a better artist in this piece that you're making. Okay, so let's go and have a look at that. Go and build your clouds. Go and think about the best way to arrange it on the page, and get advice from your friends. Okay, as always, good luck.